Europe's only active volcano, Mount Etna in Italy, sent plumes of ash flying into the air today as it continued a series of recent eruptions. The activity was reported to have taken place at the height of around 2,900 metres at a new crater. Despite the thick clouds of smoke and ash, there were no reports of evacuations from nearby towns and villages. Etna, which is located above the Sicilian town of Campania, erupts on a regular basis but rarely causes any damage. Whilst the eruptions themselves don't put the local population at risk, locals do have to live with the ash showers that follow the events.